All right, coach, congrats on the victory. What do you make of the match?
It was a tough game with the ballers team, definitely. We started out the first half doing the things that we practice in training in terms of creating overloads on the pitch. I think we did a good job in the first half. Second half, I thought we actually deviate from what we wanted to do, and as a result, we fell behind, we conceded, and we had to play chase instead of trying to conserve what we had.
Right, and coach, your midfield in the first half controlled most of the game. The second half, man, what happened, as I say, it was a bit of a fall off. So what do you think contributed to the midfield not controlling the game as it did in the first half?
I think it was more of fatigue. We're playing in a condition that is extremely hot and humid. The midfielders, they were not able to cope with this condition playing so early in the game. I thought they tried their best nonetheless. We made some substitution, and it actually bring some stability in the midfield, and we are thankful for that.
All right, coach, again, congrats.